This is Air Traffic Control Tower responding to Bacon Airlines, Flight 067. You're clear to make your emergency landing at the nearest airport.
I don't want to kill him though.
Tower to Bacon Air, Tower to Bacon Air. We're seeing a high level of turbulence coming your way. All passengers need to be seated. Over.
Please wear your seatbelt.
Good news, Bacon Air. Weather reports are showing calm and clear skies up ahead. Enjoy the smooth ride.
Pull up. Please wear your seatbelt.
Tower to Bacon Air. The news is saying a beautiful meteor shower is supposed to start soon. Just try to enjoy the view without getting hit by space rocks. Tower to Bacon Air. It looks like you've got some cloudy weather up ahead. Just expect some reduced visibility while flying, pilot. Over and out.
Engine 2 on fire.
Tower to Bacon Air. How's
Cabin fire detected.
Just thought I'd say hi.
Slow down. Pull up.
You're not gonna believe this, Bacon Air, but the biggest tsunami in the world is coming straight towards you. If you can fly over 10,000 altitude, you might be able to avoid it. No pressure. Tower to Bacon Air, you're closing in on the emergency landing strip. Just remain calm and begin your descent to 3,000 altitude. Once you get closer to the landing strip, I'll be able to give you further instructions. Good news, Bacon Air. Weather reports are showing calm and clear skies up ahead. Enjoy the smooth ride.
Please wear your seatbelt. Slow down. Impact. Landing gear deployed. All passengers, prepare for landing.
You see the guidance rings. Make sure to deploy your landing gear, reduce your speed, and keep the plane nice and steady to ensure a smooth landing. Just like you've trained all these years. Good luck!